Guys, greetings. This is your one and only gorgeous chief, Padman Senatiraja, sitting here in my office on a Tuesday night, recording, I think, number 60 or 61, if I'm not mistaken, on my Wednesday videos. Alright, guys, it's been an exciting past 6 weeks, alright, whereby you guys had the Start Living promo, which I hope you guys have maximized to the max. Alright, I heard so many max out stories. I'm so proud of all of you beautiful morons out there. And then Start Living promo finished last Friday, and me and JR were concerned about maybe you guys will sort of lose momentum. So we're giving you another gift, which is called the Summer Splash, which is a very easy, straightforward promo whereby you get additional cash for all your direct referrals you sign up. Alright, with a minimum of 1,000 BV, you get, I think, $20, and then it goes up all the way to 21,000 BV where you make much more money. Okay, the Summer Splash is to help you maintain momentum. The Summer Splash is about you maintaining momentum. That means, simply put, get your people together, refocus them on the Summer Splash, because money is money is money. Right? So whenever QNet gives you extra money for doing what you are supposed to do, guys, grab it. Okay, don't think, oh, should I focus on this promo or not? Don't be a moron. Focus on all promos, because we want to help you max out. Okay, now next, the V has been working really hard. My kids in the office have been working really hard, putting together a whole bunch of events. And the next coming event is, of course, focus on me. All right, I'm flying to London to watch Arsenal and our team, Manchester City, for the Charity Shield, which is the opening match of the English Premier League season. Alright, and then we're going to Manchester City to meet the players in their training camp. So watch my Facebook. There's going to be loads of photographs. This is, I think, early August. Next week I have tons of meetings in Malaysia. I'll send you a lot of updates on Facebook and on Instagram. I'm on Instagram right now, so focus and follow the V Chief on Instagram. Alright, then we have the most exciting event, ReVCon Dubai, on the 18, 19, 20 of September. Alright, so if you haven't registered or haven't consulted with your uplines to register for this event, you also should go to the tallest building in your city and play the song. Exactly, I Believe I Can Fly. But I want to talk to you guys about maintaining momentum. Alright, now as you know, network marketing is very much about passion, energy, but most importantly, attitude. All right, and it has to do a lot with focus. Now, as uplines, as downlines, as members of a team, all right, you have to understand that maintaining momentum is up to you. Like, I work very hard to maintain momentum in my whole organization around the planet with the V partners, AVPs, V councils, V elite leaders. I have to maintain momentum in my office with my corporate staff. I got to maintain momentum at home, all right, with everyone. Okay, maintaining momentum simply sets a benchmark of energy that you want in your organization. Because I always taught you that network marketing is about energy. All right, it's about the feeling somebody feels when they participate in your organization. So if you walk into certain organizations, you get a whole unbelievable feeling, and you walk into some other organizations, you feel like falling asleep, and that decides your BV and your max out. Alright, so you need to maintain a certain momentum as a minimum benchmark. Alright, you must never drop below this. Okay, and what helps maintain momentum? Firstly is a system. System, again, let me remind you, is events, tools. Alright, basically your home meetings, your VSell meetings, or everything else that you're doing, that maintains. Secondly is success in the organization. That means if an organization has a lot of successful people, people maxing out, earning big checks, improving their lifestyles, buying sexy cars, moving to new houses, buying expensive watches, whatever it is, all right, that also creates energy and momentum in your organization. Thirdly, it's this, how you speak, all right? It's everything to do with your words, the tone of your voice, the loudness, and sometimes quiet but intense, all right? Everything, okay? So a networker Firstly, you must always be positive. You must be a positive junkie. You must be addicted to positiveness. All right. Some of you have known me for 5 years, 3 years, 4 years, and some of you have known me for 16 years. I bet you, all right, that you have never seen me negative. I am a positive junkie. I believe that if I am going to live a certain number of years on this planet Earth, why waste time being negative? Let it be surrounded by positivity, and let me help other people become positive about their lives. Because guys, you can choose to complain about your life or count your blessings and be positive. I choose the latter, and I just focus on counting my blessings and being positive. All right, it's very simple. Okay, so now how you say, what you say. All right, now fourthly, okay, is your general attitude towards any challenges you're facing. All right, I've taught you this from day one. All right, you will always have challenges. That's my first guarantee when you sign up as a networker with QNet. I guarantee you that one day you will max out, and I guarantee you that your journey will be full of challenges. All right, but how we look at challenges in the V, Dato Sri Vijay, my mentor in Upline, has taught me every day, Patman, the challenge is going to be there. The question is, who wins? Does the challenge win or you win? It's a battle. All right, make sure you win, Patman. Dato Sri always told me. And the more challenges you win, it's easier to win the future challenges that are coming about. All right, because you're building up your immune system towards challenges. Okay, and finally, all right, is your brand. All right, every organization, every individual, every networker has a brand. A brand people want to follow, a brand people love, a brand people want to emulate or copy. Okay, I have a brand. All right, I'm gorgeous, I'm sexy, I'm loud, I'm successful, I'm a warrior. All right, did I mention gorgeous and sexy already? Yes, okay, gorgeous, sexy, I'm loud, I'm a warrior, I believe I'm exciting. All right, and that's my brand. Now, each of you have to have a brand. That means when people see you, they know your brand. When I join an organization, I should know the brand of the organization. For example, the V as a brand. All right, we are youthful, energetic, thinking out of the box, colorful, vibrant, psychotic, crazy. All right, risk takers. You understand? We are experts at lastminute.com. Okay, we have a brand. All right, now you need a brand. You need a brand that people will follow. Now, your brand cannot be negative. You cannot be an alcoholic, lazy moron who doesn't know to do anything. All right, that's also a brand, but that's a bad brand. Now, I was traveling in London and for my birthday, and I went to two distinct different stores. I went to Nike, all right, and I went to Adidas. Okay, and I walked into two of their biggest stores in London. Okay, Nike and Adidas. I walked into Nike first. And I was blown out of my mind. Their deco, their color, their staff, everything, their logo, the skull with wrist, everything on my Facebook. All right, it was just, I wanted to buy everything, guys. I wanted to take my life savings and give Nike and say, keep up the good work, son. You understand? And then after that, I said, I got to go and check Adidas. I went and checked Adidas, and I was honestly disappointed. All right, I was almost asleep in the store. And that's two sports brands, but distinctly different. So I want you to be Nike. I want you to be the most exciting, colorful brand there is, that kids walk into your store, your organization. Married, single, mother-in-laws, everyone should sign up under you, and your brand excites them. Your brand gives them faith and belief that they're going to max out with you. Now, the belief of somebody maxing out is up to the brand of the upline. All right? So the first rule I always teach you, get your checks fast. And get your checks big fast. Max out fast. The need for speed. All right? Because the faster you max out, you create a brand that you are a very successful organization. And if I follow this organization, the chances of me maxing out is higher because of the brand. All right? So guys, wake up and smell the coffee. What is your brand today? The question you have to ask, would Patman Senathirajah sign up under you based on what he sees and feels of your brand? Alright, that's the question you have. Would Dato Sri Vijay Ishwan sign up under you? If the answer is yes, your brand is right. If your answer is I don't know, I'm not sure, then improve on your brand. Every networker has a brand. Every network organization has a brand. Every upline has a brand. And you got focus on your brand. Make your brand sexy, energetic, loud, exciting, that people want to sign up with you. And make sure your brand exudes success. All right, sign up with me, I'll take you to max out. All right, and that's what you must say confidently. All right, guys, and wherever you are in the world today, you belong to the V and QNet as an organization. All right, we are the two strongest brands in the industry of network marketing. All the other mosquito companies are dead. All the other old dinosaur companies, you can't make money. Right, you are in the right place at the right time. But you got 5 months, give or take 5 months left in 2014. These 5 months, you got to give everything, guys. These 5 months, I'm giving everything. I'm risking everything, as Nike says. All right? And I want you to do the same. Maintain your momentum. All right? Maintain that momentum high. Make your organization the most attractive organization that everyone wants to sign up in. Make yourself the most attractive, all right, networker that everyone wants to sign up with you. All right, are you guys with me? All right, that's what you must focus on. So you got Summer Splash, all right, which is an exciting promo. Right, take advantage of it. Okay, I know it's Ramadan, so Ramadan Kareem to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. But guys, Ramadan is still the month to max out. It's a blessed month to max out, in my opinion. All right, so guys, get off your ass. All right, I know World Cup is happening, all right, but you're not playing football. You are in network marketing. So watch the match, but get up the next day and go out and do presentation. All right, bring your team together, re-energize them, have a second wave with the Summer Splash promo. That's what I want to see globally. All right, you need to maintain momentum. All right, you need to focus on your brand. You got to focus on your attitude. Positive, positive, positive. You got to focus on what you say. You got to even focus how you look. Dress up, guys. Dress up to kill. All right, when you're financially free, okay, you can wear shorts and t-shirts like me. All right, and we still look freaking filthy rich. Are you guys with me? All right, but when you are on the way to max out, dress up. Dressing up makes a big difference. It gives a brand impression to your people. So guys, enjoy this week. Make Thursday and Friday the rock and roll weeks of your organization. I will see you at ReVcon Dubai. I hope to see you in London for the Manchester City Arsenal match. This is just a freaking exciting year, guys. And we got 5 months to show the world that we are the greatest network marketing organization ever. We've got 5 months to show the world that we are the greatest story ever told. And you got 5 months to show the world that you can, you will, you must max out. Love you guys.